Hola guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be ranting about this Logitech G913 TKL keyboard. And yeah, apparently not because it's expensive, it's durable. Well, to be fair, the base part of the keyboard is pretty good. I've had this thing for 2 years now, and the base of the keyboard is still good. The battery still holds charge pretty good. Connectivity, no problems there so far. But the keycaps though, my W snapped off. It's either I have a really heavy hand or finger or poor plastic quality, one or the other. And yeah, good thing with this one here is G913 TKL is pretty well known, I could say. I tried searching online for replacement keycaps and I was able to find quite a lot of them pretty quickly. And I'm from the Philippines, by the way. I bought it from Lazada online store here in the Philippines. If you guys are interested, link in the description field below where I bought it from. I tried searching online or in Amazon as well. The price is pretty much the same. Most of the vendors in Amazon though includes the arrow keys. Where I bought it from only included the WASD keycaps. And good thing here is it includes the tool to remove the keycap from the keyboard, so that's neat. And yeah, and here's how it looks like. My W key. If you guys could see the back side of it, the plastic there, the latch is snapped off, and the W key or the W is rubbed off. And honestly, I don't have sweaty fingers or hand, but yeah, it rubs off pretty easily. Well, just for the W, to be fair. And yeah, and here are the replacement keycaps. The W is already installed, just in case you haven't noticed. And here's how I removed it. The fingers of the removing tool, I placed it along the top and the bottom part of the old keycap and pried it out. You could maybe put it along the side, left and right side of it, maybe. But that's where the latches are, so I'm not sure. Anyway, the way I did it, the fingers are on the top and the bottom part of the keycap, and I pried it off. I installed the new ones in, and yeah, the quality of the keycaps are pretty much the same as the stock ones. The texture, I specifically chose that. I had an old keyboard way back, a Strix keyboard that has a similar design. So just so you'd know by the feel of it that you're on the WASD keypads or keycaps. Not that you would know, but yeah, the texture is pretty good, and I'm actually planning on placing some super glue on top of this, just to mitigate the rubbing of the paint, or rather the paint, so that it won't rub off easily in the future. Or yeah, but then again, they're pretty cheap, so I don't know. And yeah, just for those who are interested in buying this keyboard thinking that because it's expensive it'll last long, well, the base part maybe, the keycaps no. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I wouldn't make it any longer than necessary. As always, see you in the next one.